As you can see, guys, the price is moving into profit. It's moving straight into profit. So let's wait for the result of this trade. What's up, guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and in this video I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick, price action, and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. Alright guys, so at this point I saw this beautiful trade entry at this point from where the price broke out to the 200 EMA line. You can see the price broke the 200 EMA line and smashed all the way down. So you can use the Fibonacci tool, or you can use the rectangle tool for a break and retest. As you can see, a break and retest below the 200 EMA line, and we saw this engulfing candlestick at that point. And I'm using the ATR value. I think I used the ATR value for this trade, I can't remember. So like I said, this is a pre-recorded video. So I used a 12 pip stop for this trade at this point. As you can see, guys, price is moving into profit, and for a 1.1 pip stop and risking 5% on this trade. And as you guys noticed, I got in at a late entry, so don't pay attention to where the trading view entry is. Just pay attention to where the position tool is. All right, so forget about the live trade I took at this point. It's just me just trying to take the trade live. But even with the live trade, we still won this trade. All right, so I just take note of where I entered the trade, where the red box and where the green box is actually, the red box is my stops and the green box is my take profit target. So I was talking, like I said, and I forgot to place the trade, and I just jumped in. I just didn't even look at it. So as you can see, the price is moving into profits. Even with the late entry, we still won this trade. And yeah, a break and retest of market structure, a 2-to-1. Or let me just move my stops down to that point. But guys, if this was a real market, don't do this. Like it's not worth it taking the trade at that point. Just let it be. So let me just close the trade. Let me just close the position. So let me just focus on the position tool instead of the live trade. So you guys get the point. It's still a live trade, just that I was talking and I forgot to place the trade. But I hope you guys understand. As you can see, guys, the price is moving into profits. It's moving straight into profits. So let's wait for the result of this trade. As you can see, guys, the price is moving really fast. Look at the strong momentum to the downside. As you can see, guys, like I always say, guys, once the price move a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even. But at this point, there's no need, because price already hits the 2-to-1 for our profit target, and just close the entire trade. It's, as you can see, the price is even moving even further down. So if you want, you can trail your stops and cover as much move. Alright guys, so trade number 2 at this point, I saw, as usual, guys, price is below the 200 EMA line, and I drew my Fibonacci tool, and the price is rejecting from that 30.2 zone, 38.2 zone, and I saw this engulfing candlestick, and clearly my stops at that 50 zone, and a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even. So let's bring the horizontal ray tool, or maybe I didn't bring that out. So let's just wait for the result of this trade. Okay, I brought my tool, my horizontal ray, for a 1-to-1, and I would recommend a 1-to-1.5 for this strategy. Like if you want to take the strategy, then a 1-to-1.5 is good. And yeah, So guys, most times the reason why I have kind of like break-even trade is because I want to trail my stops, or maybe you wanted to. But if you're taking a 1-to-1, then your win rate is going to be ridiculously high with the way I trade. So like I said, a 1 to 1.5 on this trade. Let's wait and see if we ended up winning this trade. Alright guys, so we got stopped out for a break-even trade. So like I said, a 1-to-1 was a beautiful win, a 1-to-2, a 1-to-3 was a beautiful win, but a 1 to 1.5, obviously guys, the more the profit target, the less the chances of you winning. So this is great. Alright guys, so like I usually say, it's better to take a break even on a trade than to lose a trade. So like as you can see, we won one trade and we got a break even on the other trade. So like Drake said, you'll win some and you lose some, as long as you make an income. And that is true, absolutely true. So guys, just be focused, have a trading plan, stick to the plan, and just have a rule that's going to guide you in every trade you take. So guys, this is a simple strategy. Just price below the 200 EMA line, and I see this momentum to the downside, a retracement, or maybe an imbalanced candlestick, and just pull out my Fibonacci tool and take my trade at the 50 or the 61.8 zone, or even at the 30 zone if I see an entry setup. Alright guys, so real quick trade recap. As you can see, we took 2 trades, we broke even on 1, and we won 1 trade. So the trade we won was a 1 to 2.5 or a 1 to 2, whichever way you want to call it, but we won that trade and we broke even on the other trade. So guys, like I said, you have to have a trading plan. Be consistent guys, trade this respectively, and if you want to trade like this, please guys, please go back and back test these strategies, because it's quite really effective. And if you guys want to see me make more videos like this, then drop a comment and I'll make more videos like this. And if you want me to explain this strategy I used in this video in depth so you guys get to see it, then drop a comment and tell me, and trust me guys, I will make that video happen. Alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.